Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Our today's video we have a big reindeer and a big horse with other wild animals. So let's start the video. Our first animal is camel. The milk has a lot more iron and vitamin C than cows. Milk ant is sometimes used in Kazakhstan to help treat illnesses such as tuberculosis. And the next animal is horse. Horses have been domesticated for over 5,000 years. Horses are herbivorous plant eaters. And the next animal is rooster. They have bad sense of smell and taste but good hearing. They scratch and claw at the ground looking for food. And the next animal is rhinoceros. Rhinoceroses are large, heavy animals with thick grey or brown skin, short legs and one or two horns on their nose. They are herbivorous and only eat plants. Next animal is elephant. Elephants are known for their large ears, tusks made of ivory and their trunks. Elephants are the world's largest land animal. Male African elephants can reach 3 meters tall and weigh between 4,000 to 7,500 kg. And next animal is reindeer. Reindeer stand about 2 to 5 feet, 0.6 to 1.5 meters high at the shoulder. They can weigh as much as 700 pounds, 320 kilograms. And the next animal is zebra. Each zebra has its own unique pattern of distinctive stripes, just as humans have their own unique pattern of fingerprints. Zebras stick together in herds. And the next animal is panda. Pandas are born looking like naked pink slugs and weigh just 100 grams. And the next animal is lobster. Lobster have 2 big claws and 8 walking legs. One claw is the crusher claw which helps the lobster destroy something he wants to eat. And the next animal is cow. Cows are one of the most common farm animals in the world. They are a mammal of the bovine family which also includes buffalo and bison. And the next animal is dog. These clever canines have an incredible sense of smell, allowing them to follow scent trails days after they were left. Amazingly bloodhounds. And the next animal is goat. Kids can get up and walk around just minutes after they are born. Many species of wild goats are endangered. Goats are often farmed for their milk and cheese. And the next animal is sheep. Sheep are herbivorous. This means their diet consists mostly of grass, plants and seeds. Female sheep are called ewes and males are called rams. And the next animal is reindeer. They have thick coats of brown, grey or whitish fur. Their feet have wide hooves. And the next animal is crab. Crabs are related to insects and spiders, but they have more legs than their creepy crawly cousins. Crabs have 10 legs including their walking legs and their claws. And the next animal is whale. Whales are the largest animals. They are even bigger than the largest dinosaur, and it is believed that millions of years ago. And the next animal is shark. Sharks have no bones, their skeletons are made out of cartilage, whatever ears and noses are made out of. Greenland sharks can live to be over 400 years old. And the next animal is giraffe. Giraffe is the tallest living animal. It can reach a height of more than 18 feet (5.5 meters). Giraffes live on the plains of eastern Africa. And the next animal is whale. Whales are the largest animals that have ever lived on Earth and are the largest animals that live in the ocean. They are even bigger than the largest dinosaur, and it is believed that millions of years ago, whales probably walked upon land. And the next animal is hammerhead fish. Hammerhead sharks do not lay eggs like most other fish. They instead give birth to live young. Their babies are called pups. Young hammerhead sharks can swim as soon as they are born. And the next animal is killer whale. The orca killer whale is a toothed whale and is the largest member of the dolphin family. These large marine mammals are easily distinguished by their black and white coloration. And the next animal is horse. Horses' eyes are on the side of their head. They are capable of seeing nearly 360 degrees at one time.